If you've already seen the videos on importing tools and holders, then you know what's going on, but I want to clarify the difference between a tool assembly and an individual tool and individual holder. If I'm in the Tools subsection and I import a tool that has a holder applied, that will pair that tool with that holder. If it's a standard holder, then it will end up in the Tools list, and if it's a custom holder that requires a solid, then it will end up with the tool in the tool list and the holder in the holder subsection. If I select that tool and import from GibbsCam, you can see that it's treated as a tool assembly. Those will remain linked, but it may not be the way that you want to do things. In that case, if you want them to be separate, you would need the tool to be holderless. If I import this insert from GibbsCam into the tools list, it will come independently. And if I import a holder from either this tool or apply the holder after, then it will end up in the holder list independently. Now, when the situation arises and I want to import a certain tool and assign a certain holder, and they're not always paired the same, then I can go into the tools list and export my individual tool. And then I can go into the holders list and export whatever holder I need onto that tool, which will bring the solid and apply it to the insert. If I do save the tool as an assembly, when I select it in the tools list, both will be imported together and be paired.